What's up? I'm attorney Derek Gray of Graystar Legal. We are a criminal law firm located here in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, and this is our FAQ series. So today's question deals with DWIs. In other states, they're called DUIs or OWIs, which would stand for operating a vehicle while impaired, or driving under the influence. In North Carolina, they're called driving while impaired charges. Today's question is it better to take a blood test or a breath test after you've been arrested for a DWI? And so let's first start with the law of DWI. In North Carolina, it is 20-138.1. Getting into the actual question itself, typically you don't have the option to choose whether to take a blood or breath test. The officer will request a breath test. Usually, if you refuse, they'll get a search warrant for your blood and then take your blood. If they have reason to believe that you're impaired by some other substance than alcohol, a lot of times they'll go straight to the blood test. But to answer the question very succinctly, if you do have the option, let's say hypothetically speaking, I would say the blood test is better. The reason I say the blood test is better is because it incorporates an additional witness that would have to be present at trial or testify at trial in order to have that blood alcohol concentration be admissible. The breath test, the officers a lot of times are also certified chemical analysts, so they'd be able to get that in through their own testimony, and that usually is the same officer that would have stopped you and arrested you. So for purposes of trial and to make it more difficult for them to prove their case, incorporating an additional witness that would have to be present and testify would be more advantageous to a lawyer in my position as far as defending you. So there you go. I'm gonna say the blood test. I hope that answered your question. If you have further questions, feel free to leave comments below or just give us a call. I'd love to talk about it. I'd love to help. Y'all take care.